Hi, this is Mr. Huber, and I would like to solve exercise 1 on page 47 with you. Well, these are quite easy. Well, the first one would be log to the base of b to the 4. So to which number do we have to raise b in order to get b to the 4? Well, that's obviously 4. Well, you could do it like this. Log to the base of b to the 4 is x. Then you use the anti-logarithm, or you take b to the power of the left-hand side and right-hand side. So that would be b to the 4 over here and b to the x. So now you can compare the exponents, and that would be x is equal to 4. That would be another method. Very easy, in fact. Now, log to the base of b of the square root of b, which is obviously log to the base of b to the 1/2. So to which b has to be raised to which number in order to get b to the 1/2? Obviously 1/2. Same train of thought as we used up here, or same procedure. Now the next one is slightly more tricky. That's the logarithm to the base of the square root of b to the 3. Well, the square root of b has to be raised to which power in order to get to b to the 3? Well, maybe you can guess. Well, it's an educated guess. It's not that hard. But if you can't do it, you can always do it like this and say, well, this is x. Let's just undo the logarithm. B to the, so we're going to get b to the 3, and over here, the square root of b to the x. Well, b to the 3 is b to the 1/2 to the x, which then would lead b to the 3 is b to the x halves. Now you can compare the two. 3 is equal to x halves. X is equal to 3. Equal to 6, sorry. Obviously equal to 6. Not that hard, but slightly trickier. Now the last one is this one. Log to the base of b squared minus log to the base of b squared of b. First, let's work this one out. Well, b to the what is b to the 2, obviously 2. b to the 2 to the what is b, that's 1/2. So it's 1.5. Well, that was my mental calculation. But well, you could have done it like this. First part, log to the base of b to the 2 is x. Then b to the, you use the anti-logarithm, you get b to the 2 is b to the x. X is 2. That's for the first part. Now the second part, log to the base of b to the 2 of b is x. Now you undo the logarithm, you get b is b to the 2 to the, so you get b to the 2 to the x. So b to the 1 is b to the 2x. You can compare the two, and x is going to be 1/2. So now if you subtract 2, or if you subtract from 2 1/2, well, that's 1.5. I hope you were able to understand it. I see you in the next one.